How to mark as spending on Facebook Marketplace. Now, marking a listing as spending on Facebook is very easy. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to log in into our Facebook account. If you are using a desktop, then you can go ahead and go to the Facebook website. If you are using your mobile phone, then kindly go to your Facebook app. Now, if we are already logged in, we are going to go ahead and go to the Facebook Marketplace. If you're using your desktop, you can click this icon here, or you can go to the left portion of our interface and click Marketplace. Whichever you're comfortable with, you can click that right away. And this is the Marketplace of Facebook. So at the left portion, you have here the Browse All, notifications, the inbox, the buying and selling. Now we're going to go ahead and click Selling. Now this is our listing. If you don't have any listing yet on Facebook, you are going to go ahead and click Create a New Listing. If you already have, then these are the listings that you've made. So we're just going to click on any of the listing that you want to mark as spending. So let's say, for example, we're going to use this listing, the baggy or wide leg jeans. So on that certain listing, you have there different icons such as mark as sold or boost listing or share, and then the three dot icon here. Some of the listings don't have the boost listing. So we're going to go ahead and click the three dots icon here. And you have here renew listing, mark as spending, view listing, edit listing, and delete listing. So we're going to click on mark as spending. And there. So we're going to view our listing. So there you go. Now our list is already marked as pending. If you're going to mark it as available, all you need to do is just click mark as available. So that's it. That's how easy you can mark as spending on Facebook Marketplace. I will see you guys next time. Bye.